Hello, I'm Wes Sanders. I'm the president of Sebis Direct here based in Chicago, Illinois. The company was established in 1989 in downtown Chicago. It went through several locations and wound up here in the southwest suburbs of Chicago, Illinois in Bedford Park. And our other location is in Brooklyn Heights, Ohio, which was a suburb of Cleveland. Our annual sales for services are somewhere in the $7 million area. Sebis Direct is a document management process outsource service bureau. Much of what we do is printing bills, invoices, certificates, and things of importance that you might receive in your mailbox. Being in the document management industry means that you manage the life cycle of these documents from start to finish. The screen printer plays a very, very important role at Sebis. There's a very, very limited price point at which our customers are willing to pay in order to introduce color to documents. Screen, with its 520 series, came out with a technology that, when properly used and with the volumes that are required to support it, could make X just about zero. Meaning that we could bring the same documents to the customers with the same security and the same accuracy, but then make the color components of those documents entirely dynamic. And do it for about the same cost that it was in the traditional environment of having warehouse filled with pre-printed forms, making the document entirely dynamic and having full command and control of all of the colors on the document and being able to freely compose these things in real time. You know, essentially the marketing people are overwhelmed by the advantages, and for transactional document management purposes, I would have to say that it is outstanding. Our initial impressions of the machine, when you open up the cabinet, you'll discover a very, very elegant, very, very simple machine. And its simplicity is important because simplicity also equals reliability. With the screen printer, the rate of service incidences are much, much lower. One of the things that was very important to us is that the machine have a track record. Our position was to do everything that we were going to do with our photoreceptor black devices with a single screen press. Now, in order to do that, we had to buy into the fact that one machine would be reliable enough. In other words, that we wouldn't need two machines. And in 9 months of owning and operating, I would say that we have never not met our service level agreements with our clients. And I would say that we replaced probably, it would be fair to say, 3 or 4 photoreceptor devices with the screen device, and the printer still is only running perhaps 4 or 5 hours out of the day. So we have enjoyed a great deal of increased utility out of the device in the same footprint that we had with our photoreceptor devices. Sebis examined the variety of configurations of the Truepress technology offered by Screen. We decided that we would go for a dual engine duplex configuration. This allows us to print in color or in black on both sides of the paper, and provides us with the ability to print 2-up. So we have the ability to print in one printer up to 420 feet per minute in a 2-up configuration. And that brought our capacity basically from about 1 million printed images a day to over 2 million printed images per day. Sebis's decision was to go with roll to cut sheet and also to add dynamic perforation. So the ability to dynamically perforate the form as well as print it on both sides in full color pretty much gives us the ability to manufacture virtually every paper document that Sebis needs to manufacture. In transactional document management and production, speed is very, very important. Information is delivered at the highest velocities ever. It's important for paper document production that you can take data from a customer and get it in the hands of the end client very, very quickly. With screen technology, our ability to service and provide the service levels are same day.